Oh!
Oh!
Fish on! Oh!
Is it big?
Yeah, bigger than the other ones. I am, but, oh my God, Red.
Dude! Is that a perch? Keep it, get it in the boat, we'll keep it. Ready?
Are we lifting?
Yep, we are lifting.
I'm gonna step on it. Hellman's.
Okay. No, this is
Can they hear me chomping my gum?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I would spit it out, but I don't care. I'm really chomping. Come on. You do have to let me see this. You're gonna have to edit this even more than usual because I'm gonna be like, no. You ever had a leech?
A leech? Yeah.
Or are those only in movies? They were in Riverdale, that's why I'm asking. Come on, Red. Could you imagine having to worry about gators? I'm gonna get stuck in a tree.
How about we go back into there?
Why?
Because that way we're out of the wind.
How far back? Like okay. Dodged a bullet.
Where are you going? So, this is what we're doing. I've got the Barbie rod, right? Ew, and something on my hand, that's disgusting. This is just the pre-spooled line just to make it harder for me to catch fish, but this is the Barbie rod, and then just a regular hook and a bobber. And just like this.
I'm waterlogged over here. I hope Red's talking to everyone.
Have an idea.
Okay, maybe if I could cast like a normal human being, then like I'd catch something, but no. Aren't the geese like really protective of their like little ones? We're crossing paths. I feel like I'm at a traffic light. I definitely look stupid because my ponytail's behind my head, but I wanted it to the side, but the wind is just blowing it, so I can't fish and look cute at the same time. Bite.
Oh no. Oh my gosh! Did you guys just see that? We're switching to this rod. This rod is one of my favorites.
I keep thinking Red's talking to me, but she's talking to herself.
But,
Well, I don't know.
don't worry, I'm just talking to myself.
I literally just said that.
Another one.
That's so small.
It is
What is
very.
it? A bluegill.
It's a bass. There's a spider on me. Itty bitty. Can we just take a moment to realize how far she is? This is unreal.
Hello, Red. Y'all gonna eat some
Look!
jail.
I
What?
just caught another one.
Did you see the deer over there?
No?
I saw a deer.
Nice. Sunfish.
Yeah.
I really, really want to catch a fish on this rod. Like, really badly. I think instead of setting the hook. I'm gonna have to like reel it to set the hook. Yes! Yes! On the Barbie rod!
No way.
On the Barbie rod, I got a perch! On the Barbie rod. Let's go.
Storm's still on.
Nice. Orange fins. Oh, that was
Got it.
of substantial size. One of the best. Oh, wait. What is going on? Did you guys see that? Something is happening to this rod.
Red, another one.
5 to 7. I think I'm gonna go over by her spot and just like fish right beside her. Guaranteed she gets mad.
Oh, had a bit of a halt. Bro, and I got this out myself. Like, what is in the air today?
I swear on my life, every...
I'm getting better at taking the hook out, too.
Practice makes perfect.
Look.
That's foul.
Come here, boy. Even though she's yellow, it's a bluegill. Here, maybe you'll catch that one.
What? Jeez, I'm gonna get one in the face next.
Yeah, and at this point, you deserve it. Because they're all right there. And guess who moved right there?
I think they want minnows.
Ugh. Okay, I was actually doing so bad over there, though. Okay, look how small
on the other
she is.
side?
Yeah.
To catch it.
All right, guys, so today I'm using this bait.
Please.
It's called a worm. Well, I'd talk more if I could cast in my spot that I found myself, but somebody in a kayak came over and stole the show. Also, like, it's impossible to look good and fish,
That's a crazy statement.
but it's true.
I mean, it is true, honestly.
Like, look at me.
Let's
Look
be
at my
real.
hands.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
fish on. Oh,
is it big?
yeah, bigger than the other ones. Oh,
Or
again.
just bleep it out.
Oh my God, red.
Dude!
Oh.
Is that a perch? Get it in the boat. We'll keep it.
Oh, you sister. Oh my God, that's a nice fish.
I know, dude.
Oh my God. Wait, can I hold it and take a picture?
Did you hold it like by the lip? There you go.
I don't want to drop them.
You good? Just pinch him really hard. Look.
Can this be the thumb? The thumbnail? Remember what a fish mouth looks like?
Yeah.
For anyone wondering, fish do have teeth. My thumb's just so strong, it doesn't hurt me.
Wow.
I don't want him to fall out.
Just
Grab him.
hold on. Hold on.
Grab him!
Okay, hold on. Okay, you're good. Move your foot. Like all the way back.
Red to the rescue. Oh, where's my hook? Oh, thank you, Red.
You're welcome. Let's
That
give him
stick
a
just
little bit
killed
of
me.
air. Or a
Oh
little
wait.
bit of
Oh wait, is that
water.
my hook by you? Is it in your leg?
Let him go. We're gonna let him live another day. But the next time we come out here, and
It's
I'm
on,
my,
brother.
and we're on like my actual boat, and we catch one of these, we're keeping it. But it's your lucky day, bro. Just, oh. Oh.
Well, knew that was gonna happen. What it actually looked like before.
They're like,
They don't taste like fish.
I can't get them.
Do any bluegill actually have bluegills?
That is an unreal question.
Like, I'm assuming, yeah, but why are some orange
Do they
then?
actually have blue gills? Sometimes. Dude, we're on the perch right now.
Yeah.
We could, like, be limited out here.
We could be chowing.
Nice.
I just casted behind me, Red. I wish I was joking.
What just happened?
Please be some more over here. Hey, now you know a good spot.
I know, I'm gonna come here every time.
What's this do?
I don't know. Are you one of those people that, like, you just, like, you're in the store and you're like...
No.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
look
hard.
at all the little bugs.
Maybe we'll film this. Maybe here's what we'll do. What was that?
I was gonna say that sunset looks sweet.
Basically, my friend beat me, and she's a better fisherwoman than I am.
That was so cringe.
Like the score? You had 16?
It might have been 15.
Okay, well, she beat me fair and square. I think I had like 8.
I'm proud of myself for getting like out of the tree myself.
Yeah,
and usually my dad would have to come
over. You were doing really
over.
good with getting the hook, the hook out.
Getting
of
the
the fish
hook out of the fish, yeah.
without me having to help you. So, we hope that you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe.
That car bump.
Yeah. Oh, that's all right. Like, comment, subscribe.
Really nothing else she can do.
There's really nothing else I can say, honestly. But be on the lookout next week or 2 weeks from now. Every Wednesday.
Wait, stop. The way you just waved at that Jeep.
What? That's what you do.
I know, but it was so like discreet.
If you don't do the Jeep wave and you have a Jeep, then you're not a real Jeeper. Bye.